Hi everyone! Today we will be talking about XRP or Ripple, which is everything that an investor should know before they invest and start making money from XRP. Remember, knowledge is a vital component of succeeding in XRP investment. Be our guest as we discover more on XRP. The first thing to know is that Ripple is both a platform and a currency. The Ripple platform is an open source protocol that is designed to allow fast and cheap transactions. Unlike Bitcoin, that was never intended to be a simple payment machine, Ripple is definitely going to rule all international transactions worldwide. Pretty ambitious, but who knows? Maybe currency exchanges will disappear in a few years as blockbuster stores did. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, The Crypto King. Here you will get the latest cryptocurrency news, all investing information in crypto, and how to earn money from crypto. If you are new here, please like and subscribe to get everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. Don't forget to click the bell icons so you get notified every time we upload a new video. So, let's get started. Before we continue, here's a relatable story to watch. Two billionaires who now easily rank amongst the wealthiest Americans includes the current and former CEOs of Ripple, a San Francisco-based company using blockchain technology in international financial transactions. It issues a token called XRP that, as of Monday, January 1st, had a market capitalization of $88.9 billion. Each XRP was trading at $2.39, according to CoinMarketCap. Just a week before, XRP had surpassed Ethereum to become the second most valuable crypto asset. Co-founder and former CEO Chris Larsen, who stepped down in November 2016 and now serves as executive chairman of Ripple, has 5.19 billion Ripple in his personal holdings and a 17% stake in the company, according to sources at Ripple. That gives him a net worth of $37.3 billion using Monday's exchange rate. After watching that motivational story, now join us in our episode, XRP, What Every Trader Should Know, as we show you how to become an independent millionaire from trading on XRP. As previously intimated, Ripple, or XRP, is a two-in-one network, i.e., a platform known as RippleNet and a currency known as XRP. RippleNet is a network of institutional payment providers such as banks and money services businesses that use solutions developed by Ripple to provide frictionless experience to send money globally. Let's give an example. Firstly, Mr. Jones lives in New York and has a chocolate box he doesn't need. He is very interested to watch a baseball game, but he doesn't have a ticket. Secondly, Miss Smith lives in Los Angeles and has a rare stamp she would like to give away for a chocolate box. Lastly, we have Mr. Brown, who lives in Alaska and is looking very much for a rare stamp, and he has a ticket for a baseball game in New York. In our current system, these people would probably never find each other and remain with their not valuable valuables. But in Ripple world, they could say, hey, I have a chocolate, I want baseball. And the system will look for the shortest and cheapest combination to make it happen. XRP is a token used for representing the transfer of value across the Ripple network. The main purpose of XRP is to be a mediator for each other, both cryptocurrencies, fiat exchanges. The best way to describe XRP is a joker, not the creepy Batman enemy, but the card that can be any other card. If you want to exchange dollars for euro, it can be a dollar with dollars and euro with euros to minimize the commissions. As highlighted above, the transaction cost of Ripple is $0.00001. What makes XRP unique? Ripple's unique blockchain improves current global payment system and requires no mining. The XRP transfer process is swift because the cryptocurrency isn't nearly as decentralized as the other major currencies like Bitcoin. Bitcoin's main purpose is to introduce a new global currency and payment system that can connect consumers directly with suppliers, removing the needs for a financial middleman like bank. To do this, their blockchain completely decentralized the cryptocurrency by requiring a network of millions of miners to solve complex cryptographic puzzles to validate each of its transactions, instead of asking a central power like a bank to verify them. Ripple, on the other hand, wants to speed up the process of a cross-border payment transfers and in return, improve the existing global payment system. So the currency's blockchain, RippleNet, requires only 25 independent nodes, managed by various financial institutions, tech companies, and Ripple itself, to all agree on the true state of XRP's public ledger and in turn validate its transaction. This makes XRP much faster at verifying and processing transactions than Bitcoin, because instead of millions of global miners validating its transactions, XRP only needs 25 nodes to do so. In conjunction with RippleNet's validation process, Ripple also owns and issues the entire supply of XRP, which means you don't have to spend massive amounts of time and electricity to mine XRP like you do to get Bitcoins. You can only buy the token on cryptocurrency exchanges. Ripple as a currency transfer tool. Ripple's cryptocurrency XRP is popular amongst huge financial institutions like Santander and American Express because the token can significantly expedite these financial institutions' cross-border payment transfers. XRP is designed to rapidly transfer any fiat currency into another, allowing financial institutions to shift money from one currency to another and move funds around the world in a matter of seconds. In fact, XRP can settle payments within 4 seconds and process 1,500 transactions per second. This is refreshing and a lot more convenient for financial institutions who usually have to deal with typical yet complex global payment systems, which make every bank open a separate account for every country they work in and take an average of 3 to 5 days to settle payments. Financial institutions that use Ripple also don't have to deal with cryptocurrencies that have notoriously slow transaction speeds, like Bitcoin. While XRP can process 1,500 transactions per second, Bitcoin can only process 7 transactions per second, and coupled with each cryptocurrency's volatile prices, there's more of a risk that financial institution will receive a lower amount of tokens than initially expected once their transaction finalized, if they transact with Bitcoin instead of XRP. Equipped with those facts, you are ready to go. That's all for today. If you have any question regarding cryptocurrency, let us know in the comment section below. For more on cryptocurrencies, kindly subscribe to our channel. Do us a favor by liking, commenting, and sharing our content with friends or across social media channels.